What's up, y'all? What's going on? Back with another one. Lasfit sent me out some new bulbs they want me to try out to replace the original stock lights in the back that I had, the brake lights and stuff. So these are the upgraded version of those. So let's go ahead and open them up and do a side-by-side comparison. Like I said, one of the other bulbs blew out. Y'all, also, man, I apologize about not uploading. It's a lot going on right now, so I ain't really been uploading like I should, but I'm gonna try my best to keep them going. So these are the upgraded lights here. They said these are supposed to be brighter, and they also prevent the hyper flashing and stuff like that. The bulb size is this right here. The link will be in the description for you can go order these. Testing them out. I'm pretty sure the last one lasted pretty good. I think maybe the shortage or something I had in the car may have blew it out. I'm not sure. Maybe some water got inside my tail light housing. Who knows? But yeah, these are the new ones. Let me pull out the original ones. There you go. These are the new ones that goes in the car for the Altimas, Nissan models. Those are the old ones there. One of these are blown. So I'm gonna install these new ones real quick and go from there. Go ahead and take this out, put y'all on a little time lapse and get going. All right, so what we're going to do, as you can see right here, we're going to take this bulb out. I think, yeah, I'm gonna take this one out. This is an amber light. Take that out. Replace these with the new LED bulbs. Do the same thing on each side. I might just do a side-by-side comparison between the old light and the new light so you can see which one is what. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change those out, put it back on time lapse again, and get it going. All right, so if you see the tag light wire sticking out, because I'm in the process of replacing that bulb as well. So on this side, I have the new Lasfit upgraded bulb, brake light bulb on that side. And over here, I have the original, the one that still works. So I'm gonna start the car up real quick, give y'all a look or whatever. All right, so let's look at it here. All right, so this light right here, I ended up putting this back in because I need a brighter light instead of the amber light. I don't have any more T10s. So this is the upgraded light from Lasfit. And here's the original right here. This is the original. I don't know. They say the upgraded one is brighter, but the original one looked real bright to me for some reason. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just me, but yeah. Maybe because it got more LED, but so yeah, we're gonna do a little brake light test so y'all can see the difference. All right, so you tell me which one is the brightest to you. I can't tell. I'm gonna go back and look at the footage real quick, but as far as everything, I'm getting ready to button stuff up, put the new bulb on that side over here, and maybe I can give y'all a good look. Let's put the tail lights on real quick. Let's see.
Alright, so we got the brake lights in. Screw that little one. Put the trunk down there. I'll get a bit visual of it.
I mean, we got the tail lights in, so all right, tail lights in. I don't know, is the original looks brighter? I'm not sure, but that's the new one. The original still looks brighter over here, but the new one is more settled. Kind of like the more settled tone than the over bright. But we gonna see. All right, so did another brake test. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm going to put everything back together, review the footage, go ahead and fix that other bulb, replace that bulb over here, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get out this code, man, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Everything's hooked up, put back together, as you can see. So actually now when I look at it, those lights are actually a lot better than the old one. The old one have more LEDs that are on, but this just gives it that part. So I replaced that bulb over there. Now we got lights on the side. Want to make sure my tail lights are DOT certified. I don't want to be pulled over for nothing. So we got everything over here looking good. Give it one more last flash and I'm going in the house, y'all. All right, y'all. So these are the new upgraded lights, LED lights from Lasfit right here. And when I say they are a lot better, they are 20 times better to me. To give you more settled tone, and when you hit the brakes, that's when the brightness comes out. It's definitely brighter. It's not bright all the time, and it's just running. It's a settled tone. Once you hit the brake, they definitely gonna see you. But yeah, if y'all enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And like I said, if you want to order yourself some, both products are great. The old version and the new version, they both are great. So the link will be in the description. And y'all take care. Peace out.